Hi, in this video we will see basics of digital elevation model, also referred as DEM. DEM is an image which indicates the elevation from the mean sea level. So as you can see over here in this image, you can see different color codes and you can see some shapes of some valleys and some hilly areas. The DEM or digital elevation model is nothing but a image which has various pixels which are as shown over here. So this is an image which has pixels and each pixel has assigned a value which represents a mean sea level of that pixel. Okay. So over here, for example, if I want to talk about these pixels, so this pixel is representing a elevation of 512 meter from the mean sea level. Similarly, this pixel of representing a given geographical area which has a mean sea level as 602 meter from the mean sea level. So DEM is nothing but a image with pixels and each pixel has assigned certain value which is nothing but elevation of that geographical area from the mean sea level. Here you can see these differences of various shape. It is all because of the various color code we have assigned. If I zoom in, I can easily see a topography. I can see these are the valleys and these are the hilly areas. And if I want to know the value of each elevation, I can use identifier tool and I can click anywhere to know the elevation difference. So here the elevation is 468. If I click over here, now you can see the elevation is 922 from the mean sea level. I can zoom in further and further to see each and every pixels. Now you can see these pixels and now I can click on each pixel and see the value. So this is 594 meter from the mean sea level. If I click over here, this is 733 meters from mean sea level. And if I want to measure a dimension of the pixels, I can do it by using a tool called measurement tool available over here. And if I measure a width of the pixel, you can see it's almost 29.9, so it's almost 30 meter. Okay, from here it's again a 30 meter. So this pixel has width as well as the uh, height of around 30 meters. So it is called as a resolution of the image. So resolution of the image is a 30 meter. It means the each pixel has a dimension of 30 meters. So 30 meter length, 30 meter width. Okay, and if I close this, if I zoom out, I can now see the topography. So here I can imagine the topography of a given geographical area. Now here you see a sharp difference in a color. So on this, in reference with this line, on this side, on left hand side, you can see a color code of red, and on the right hand side you see color code of green. There is a sharp difference in the elevation. This is because this is a Western Ghat escarpment where there is a sharp difference in elevation because of the characteristic of a Western Ghat. Now I can change this symbology by going in the properties. Before that, let's see the basic information about this uh, image, or also called as a metadata. So this is name is UGDEM UTM. So this is in UTM unit. That is the extension of the file which I have given. The CRS it follows is the EPSG 32643, that is a UTM zone 43N, and this is the extent. So we have learned about the extent. So this is represent the uh, extent of the this image covering the geographical surface on the surface of Earth. Unit is in meter, and this file type is a GTIFF, so, or GeoTIFF. So remember, all the DEM images are in a GeoTIFF, which we'll use in the software. And also, if you see the pixel size over here, the pixel size is around 29.9 and comma minus 29.9. So the pixel size is around 30 meter by 30 meter. So this is a DEM which provides the image of 30 meter by 30 meter. Okay. Uh, so if I uh, go and see the how I can change the symbology so that I can make a sense of this image. So in case of symbology, you have to select a single band pseudo color, and where I can and there are, if you select the single band pseudo color, then this window will appear. And don't make any changes over here. This is the mean and max values of the elevation. So you see the minimum value of minus 255. So minus 255 elevation, that is the negative value of elevation of, it is not possible for a geographical area. This is a possible for ocean, where the depth is minus 255 from the mean sea level. However, in case of the geographical area covering the land masses, these values are given. So these are the nothing but the no data values. So if there is no data is available, or there is some error, then for those pixels have assigned certain negative values, so that we can understand those are the no data cells, or those pixels having some error. Okay, so here I can choose the interpolation to keep it as a linear, and there are various color ramps are available. I can choose any color ramp which I want. For example, if I choose uh, this color ramp, and if I say apply, then I will get a different view of the image because of the change in a symbology. Okay, similarly, uh, here you can also change the number of classes, the similar to we have similar thing we have done earlier also with another image. So you can change the color ramp, you change the number of classes, you can classify, and you can adjust these classes, you can edit these values so that you can get appropriate representation. Otherwise, sometimes you do, for example, in this map I cannot see much elevation differences, so it means I have to adjust the elevation values. Similar thing we have done in case of rainfall image, where you have to adjust the classes so that we can see the variation. Similarly, we have here in this case also, knowing the geography, or by knowing the differences by different values of pixels, by using identifier tool you can fix the classes so that you can get maximum out of this image, so that viewer can easily imagine the level differences or elevation differences in a given geographical area. Okay, so this is all about the DEM. So in this video we have seen the basics of DEM and a symbology of DEM which can be adjusted and which can be viewed. Okay, thank you.